Hi and welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how to build these shelves using the PEANUT Mini Jig. In this build we're going to be using 18mm birch ply. I've got 3 pieces, all 200 wide, one's 420, one's 300 and one is 415. We're also going to need a little offcut and I'll show you what this is for later. The offcut is simply to use as a fence to position the mini jig. I just clamp it flush to the edge of the piece I want to put a slot in. Position the mini jig against the edge of the packer and slide until the gravity stud touches the edge. Working on the corner of the bench allows me to use the clamps easily. I fix the other side of the jig using the screw fixing point. I can now start routing the first slot. And repeat the process on the opposite side and the other panel. For drilling the peanuts, attach the fence to the jig. Slide the jig into position using the gravity stud and screw or clamp to hold. Then, using the drill bush, drill the holes for the peanuts. Tap in the peanuts and screw in using a 3.5 by 50mm screw. I like to set the clutch on the drill so not to over tighten when screwing. The great thing about the PEANUT 2 is you can adjust the tightness of the joint by adjusting the tightness of the screw. Now I can quickly and simply assemble the shelves. So there it is guys, a nice simple build using the PEANUT Mini Jig. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any comments, please leave them below.